After checking for updated RPNs at the start of every pay period, you are now ready to enter your employee's pay. To do so, access the Payroll utility. The current pay period is displayed at the top of the screen. Hover over a particular period on the payroll schedule to view the period number and period end date. Employees are listed in a summary view. To edit a particular employee's pay, simply click on the employee name. When the employee's payslip view is displayed on screen, enter their basic pay information within their Pay section. If the employee is paid a basic gross, enter the amount in the field provided. An edit facility is available if you wish to enter an annual salary in order to calculate the equivalent periodic amount, or you wish to perform a net to gross calculation. A delete option is also available within the edit facility should you wish to completely remove a pay item. If an employee is hourly paid, the default rate entered in the employee record will be displayed. If this rate still applies, enter the number of hours required. To add more pay items, click the Add button and select whether you wish to add a basic pay amount, a daily pay amount, or another hourly rate. To amend an hourly rate, click on the drop-down menu and select an option from the list. To enter a customized rate, select Add Additional Hourly Rate and type in the amount desired. If an employee is daily paid, the default rate entered in the employee record will be displayed. BrightPay will automatically apply the number of days in the period based on the employee's calendar. For example, if an employee normally works a 5-day week and a day of unpaid leave is entered in their calendar, the daily rate will be applied to 4 days. Should you wish to turn this automatic facility off and manually enter the number of days instead, simply click the Edit button and untick the box. To add more pay items, click the Add button and select the type of pay item you wish to enter. An option is also available to copy payments from a previous pay period. To set up both taxable and non-taxable additions, click on the Add button within the Additions and Deductions section. If applicable, select a preset addition from the list and enter the desired amount. To add a further addition, repeat this process. If you wish to add an addition which is not available in the preset list, simply choose New Addition Type. Enter a description of your choice, the addition amount, and select whether the addition is to be subject to tax, PRSI, USC, and pension deductions. Select the repetition required for the addition and whether you would like it to be available for use on each employee's payslip. Click Save when complete. To add a further addition, repeat this process. Should you wish to edit the additions you have set up, click the Edit button next to the Amount field. For pension purposes, users can set here whether the addition is to be taken into consideration or not when ascertaining the pensionable gross amount. Here, you will also find the facility to set an addition to repeat every pay period until you choose to manually remove it, or to repeat up to and including a particular date in the future. If you wish to reorder any additions you have set up, an ordering function is also available here. Similarly, to set up both allowable and non-allowable deductions, click on the Add button within the Additions and Deductions section. Select a preset option from the list or choose New Deduction Type to set up a deduction of your own. Enter a description of your choice, the deduction amount, and select whether the deduction is allowable for tax, PRSI, USC, and pension. Select the repetition required for the deduction and whether you would like it to be available for use on each employee's payslip. Press Save once complete. To add a further deduction, repeat this process. Should you wish to edit any deductions you have set up, simply click the Edit button. Once again, you will find a facility to set whether the deduction is to be taken into consideration for pension purposes and to set a deduction to repeat every pay period until you choose to manually remove it, or to repeat up to and including a particular date in the future. In addition, if you wish to reorder any deductions you have set up, simply use the ordering facility provided. Benefit in kind and parenting benefit can also be applied to an employee's payslip where applicable. Further guidance on these processes can be found in our online help guidance. Should you wish to add a note to an employee's payslip, click on the Notes section within the payslip view and type in your narrative. After completing an employee's pay, either return to your summary view by clicking on the Tab button to the left of the screen, or simply select a name from the list to edit the next employee's pay.